By the end of this module, you should be able to define cassette mini-split air conditioners, identify the components of a cassette mini-split air conditioners, and identify the unique components in a cassette mini-split air conditioners.
A cassette mini-split is an advanced and compact heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system designed to provide efficient climate control in a diverse range of spaces. What sets it apart is its innovative, ceiling-mounted configuration, eliminating the need for extensive ductwork traditionally associated with HVAC systems. Ceiling installation. Cassette mini-splits are uniquely mounted on the ceiling, allowing for optimal air distribution throughout a room or space. This ceiling installation not only optimizes space but also ensures even cooling or heating. Discrete design. The system boasts a discrete and modern design, seamlessly blending with various interior aesthetics. This makes it an ideal choice for spaces where the visual impact of HVAC systems is a consideration. Zone control. Cassette mini-splits offer zone control, allowing for customized climate management in different areas or rooms. This enhances energy efficiency by delivering precise cooling or heating where it's needed. Energy efficiency. Equipped with advanced inverter technology, cassette mini-splits dynamically adjust the compressor speed. This not only optimizes energy consumption but also results in significant cost savings over time. The cassette mini-split air conditioner components include outdoor condenser unit, indoor unit, refrigerant tubing, refrigerant control valves, remote control/thermostat, condensate drain line, power cable, air filters, fan, control board, expansion valve, and sensors. The cassette mini-split air conditioner unique components include ceiling cassette, 4-way airflow panel, and remote control or smart integration. The ceiling cassette is a distinctive unit that houses critical components of the system. Its design optimizes space and allows for even air distribution throughout the room. The ceiling cassette serves as the housing for critical components of the system. Its ceiling-mounted position optimizes space and allows for the even distribution of conditioned air. The 4-way airflow panel, located on the bottom of the cassette, disperses conditioned air in multiple directions. This ensures uniform and comfortable climate control throughout the room. Cassette mini-splits often come with a remote control or smart integration options. This allows users to adjust settings and control the system remotely for added convenience and flexibility. The remote control or smart integration feature allows users to control the system remotely. This enhances convenience and flexibility in managing the climate control settings of the cassette mini-split. In conclusion, cassette mini-split systems represent a revolutionary approach to HVAC, offering efficient climate control with a focus on space optimization and aesthetics. The ceiling-mounted design, discrete appearance, and zone control make these systems versatile for both residential and commercial applications.